Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here is a review. We've done this before. This is just a review. It's a different worksheet. We're separating dates. We're taking a date and we're going to break it apart by day, month, year. The end is going to throw an error. Why? Because I intentionally did this. So I want you to think, why is it throwing an error? Otherwise, we have the day, month, year function. Remember, return the day, return the month, return the year. And then we have the date function. All we're doing is day, day, or month. And then we have the date. What does the date do? It's just going to take the same stuff and it's going to reverse it. So if you have stuff in a day, month, year format, you can just use the date E5 and it'll put it back in to a date format. This is what we did. We just took some random dates, or we extracted the information and then we reattached the information, the yin and the yang, if you will. Read this up over here. Now, why is there an error? When we're using the same tools, the answer is ding, 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 ding. It's text. Even though it says date here, it's in parentheses and it automatically will throw it into a text. It's confusing, and down the road when you're in a hurry and you're doing stuff, this conflict between this information as text and this damn date classification is just the nightmare, okay? And it's nearly impossible to get rid of this thing. So to try to reformat this thing, you could just try to type it in as text and then go back in here, and now it says text. Sometimes you just can't remove this date function. When you're messing around here, you can see it says custom, because I formatted the serial number. But here, sometimes there's going to be a war between what you want and what Excel wants to override. So be careful. When you see stuff like this, put it into text, but it's still going to throw an error because we need a serial date, or we need a formal date format. Okay, now if you get rid of parentheses, it works. All right, Control Z. Dates and times are gonna be a point of frustration. I just want to forewarn you. And again, it's just practice understanding the layout. The anatomy is simple. It's just when you're up here in the ribbon, you're going to see all these different choices. And sometimes Excel just wants to, now it says a date, and it's not a date. It's a text. So you can go back if you want. You can just go ahead and put it into text, or you can put it into general. It doesn't matter. It's still going to throw an error because of the parenthesis. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for your time.